More schools could shut down in the coming weeks because of COVID, and that's what new data from the Baylor College of Medicine is predicting.
And there's a big difference between campuses that require masks and others that don't. Here's Jason Miles.
Just today, the Commissioner of Education said COVID cases are surging in Texas public schools, something many families know about firsthand, and many more may very soon. From excitement on her first day of school to misery in the third week due to a positive case of COVID-19.
A few days ago, she woke me up in the middle of the night. She didn't feel good.
Shannon Young's fourth grader Maya is finally feeling better after battling a fever, cough, fatigue, and stomach pain.
You know, you hear a lot about, oh, COVID's not really affecting children. It took her down. It took my 9-year-old healthy child down.
Although Maya wears a mask, Humble ISD, where she attends school, doesn't require them, which is the case in most Texas districts. And that could make a big difference in the coming weeks, according to new models by Baylor College of Medicine.
Very similar to when there's a tropical depression out in the Atlantic, the prediction about whether or not it becomes a hurricane.
In a hypothetical school scenario, using current infection data and other measures, the models or predictions show that 3% of students in schools where face coverings are required will be infected within the next 28 days, while the number jumps to as high as 22% of students in schools where mask usage is at a minimum.
Bottom line is, we're not following safe practices in schools. We're probably headed to having to shut some schools down, which we're already seeing happening in the community.
Shannon Young and other families demonstrated outside Humble ISD headquarters just this week, and she's still debating whether or not to send Maya back to school when she's able to return.
We have a wonderful principal and a wonderful assistant principal who were able to put in place any request I had, except for the mask mandate, to try to keep her safe, yet she still got it.
Dr. McDevitt told me that he believes we're at a top of a wave when it comes to COVID cases in the community. He just hopes that cases in schools don't set us back. Meantime, districts without mask mandates say they still strongly encourage them and other protocols. Back to you.